Supreme Court's decision to keep Trump off the 2024 election could come Monday. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe to Celebrity Top Notch CTN and hit the notification button to be notified when we post great videos. Let us know your possible suggestions by leaving your comments below. Washington AP: a Supreme Court decision on whether former President Donald Trump can be kept off the ballot as he tries to overturn his 2020 election defeat could come as early as Monday. Trump is challenging a landmark Colorado Supreme Court ruling, arguing that he is once again disqualified from being president and ineligible to participate in Tuesday's primaries in the state. If the case is decided on Monday, the day before Super Tuesday in 16 states, leading Republican presidential candidate Donald Trump will be barred from running. That will remove uncertainty over whether votes for Trump will ultimately be counted. Both sides asked the court for an expedited hearing, which heard arguments less than a month ago on Feb. 8. The Colorado court was the first to invoke a constitutional provision designed to keep insurgents out of the presidency since the Civil War. Trump has since been ruled out of the Illinois and Maine primaries, but that decision, like the Colorado decision, is on hold pending the outcome of the Supreme Court case. The Supreme Court has never before ruled on Section 3 of the 14th Amendment. On Sunday, the Supreme Court said at least one decision would be handed down on Monday, but there are some deviations from normal practice, and there is a growing inclination that President Trump's election case will be decided. With the exception of the end of March, when the end of a term is approaching, the courts almost always rule on the day the justices are scheduled to be in court. However, the next scheduled court appearance date is not until March 15th. Also, except when the court is closed due to the coronavirus pandemic, justices of the peace are almost always in court reading summaries of their opinions. They are not in court on Mondays. All opinions are posted on the court's website after 10 a.m. Monday morning Eastern Time. The justices also agreed last week to hear arguments in late April on whether President Trump will be prosecuted on election interference charges, including his role in the Jan. 6, 2021, attack on the U.S. Capitol. The court's entry into the highly politicized case, which has no precedent, has raised questions about whether Trump will face trial before the November election. The former president faces 91 criminal charges in 4 indictments. The only one with a trial date set is a New York State case in which he is accused of falsifying business records in connection with a payment to a porn actress. A trial in that case is scheduled for March 25th, and the judge has indicated his intention to continue the trial. That's what we have for you today. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that share button.